In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce blur Affinity Photo. If your photo looks a little soft, we'll use Affinity Photo's built-in sharpening to bring back crisp detail without introducing harsh artifacts. Start by opening Affinity Photo with the image you want to improve. Make sure you're working in the Pixel workspace so you have access to the editing tools we need. At the top, go to the Filters menu. This is where all the image processing effects live, and it's the quickest route to effective sharpening. From Filters, move to the Sharpen category and choose Unsharp Mask. Despite the name, this is a classic, reliable way to sharpen images. It doesn't invent new detail. Instead, it boosts contrast along existing edges so your subject appears clearer and more defined. You'll see three key controls: radius, factor, and threshold. Think of radius as how wide the sharpening halo can be around edges. Start small and raise it slowly. Too high and you'll see glowing outlines. Factor controls the strength of the effect. Increase it until edges look snappy but still natural. Threshold tells the tool what should be considered an edge. A low threshold sharpens almost everything, which can add noise to skies and skin. A higher threshold protects smoother areas and focuses sharpening where it matters most. Use the preview and, if possible, judge the image at 100% zoom so you're evaluating real pixels. A good approach is to increase factor until the improvement is obvious, then back it off a touch. Nudge radius up only as needed to avoid thick halos, and raise threshold if fine grain or skin starts to look gritty. Subtlety goes a long way. Aim for cleaner edges rather than an over-processed look. Once you're satisfied with the balance of radius, factor, and threshold, click Apply to commit the change. If you overdo it, simply undo and try slightly gentler settings. With these adjustments, you'll reduce blur effectively while preserving a natural, detailed finish.